Prayagraj as well as Varanasi, where today, viewers, the largest gathering in the world culminates on the day of Mahashivratri. It is the final holy dip at the Mahakumbh as well, and after that, that city within a city is going to dismantle itself only to be assembled again 12 years from now, where the Mahakumbh comes into question. I want to take you through of some of the firsts that have taken place. We'll give you the graph in terms of the numbers that have attended the Mahakumbh. Let's take you through that. Now, this is stunning, viewers. Over the years, where every Mahakumbh is concerned, from the last, and I'm just looking at the last Mahakumbh, and I remember I covered that at Trimbakeshwar in 2013. It was 12 crore people had attended the Trimbakeshwar Mahakumbh. Look at that staggering number on your television screen. Over 65 crores that have attended the Mahakumbh this time. Just sheer numbers is astounding. Let me get you the economics of it all. Now, Kumbh 2013, the government expenditure, and I'm comparing it to the last Kumbh again, was 1,017 crores. The revenue generated at that time was 12,000 crores. Kumbh 2019, which was an Ardh Kumbh, the government expenditure was 2,112 crores. Revenue generated 1.2 lakh crores. Let's now completely come down to the 2025 Mahakumbh at Prayagraj. The expected, we're giving you a ballpark figure, and it's definitely going to rise, is 1,017 crores. This will rise when an actual turnover takes place. But look at the revenue earned, 2 lakh crores up till now, because in all probability, that number could also rise. If you're asking us, these are all government numbers, but, it couldn't be really, very far away from that figure where it comes down to the footfall or even the economy that was generated where the Mahakumbh was concerned. I want to cut across right now to Piyush Mishra, who's joining us from Varanasi, because a lot of the crowds who have gone to the Mahakumbh actually, go to Varanasi, and that is where they end their spiritual journey or their journey of faith, at least in the trajectory of these holy dates. But first up, Santosh Sharma joining us from Prayagraj. Santosh, it's all coming together today. The biggest leveler, where the largest gathering of mankind coming in, closing today. Now, from today, are we going to see everything, where the city which had come together within the city of Prayagraj being dismantled, or it's going to be another couple of days because the rush of people is quite a bit?
It will take a couple of days for the to decrease, or we can say the devotees will still continue to come to the Prayagraj, because some of the devotees are on their way for taking a holy dip in Sangam and Triveni area. And why I'm saying, you can see the visuals, the flow of the crowd that is coming and that is going back. And within 24 hours, we can say that more than 90 trains are going to come in Prayagraj, and 200 trains, special trains are deployed for taking all the devotees to their homes. So this is the large number of crowd that is coming and going out of the Prayagraj, and this will take a couple of days. Although today is the last day, or we can say the last day of Mahakumbh, and tomorrow the CM of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, will also will participate in get together with police personnel and the sanitation workers, those who have participated in this whole Kumbh, and due to which the sanitation work, the law and order was done. That's the reason tomorrow the CM Yogi Adityanath will come and
very quickly get us some reactions right behind you, and I'll cut across to Piyush and then back to our guests in the studio. Go to the people behind you, very eager to talk.
Yeah, I'm taking the reactions. कहाँ से आए?
सर हम नांदेड़ से आए, नांदेड़ मार्ग से।
कैसा रहा? अभी और भी दिन चलना चाहिए कुंभ? अभी भीड़ जिस तरीके से लग रही है कि लगातार आती रहेगी।
बिल्कुल आती रहेगी। मैं दिल्ली से आया हूँ, बहुत बड़े अरेंजमेंट है, वेरी गुड अरेंजमेंट।
कितना किलोमीटर चलना पड़ा?
अबाउट 3 किलोमीटर, ज्यादा नहीं हाँ बहुत बढ़िया था।
महाकुंभ चलना चाहिए ऐसा हमारी इच्छा है, लेकिन जो आस्था का जो इशू है तो महाशिवरात्रि 13 जनवरी से 26 फरवरी तक है, इसको बढ़ाया नहीं जा सकता। लेकिन हमारी इच्छा है कि महाकुंभ और बढ़ना चाहिए, लेकिन आस्था का विषय है, धर्म का विषय है, तो इसे बढ़ा नहीं जा सकता। काफी लोगों ने इसका लाभ लिया है।
भीड़ तो लगातार आ रही है।
भीड़ लगातार आ रही है, बट लोगों की आस्था जो है अटूट है, और ये जो माहौल है यहाँ पे आस्था का और मिलन का, कम्युनिटी का, आई थिंक वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है।
कहाँ से आए हैं?
बिहार मुजफ्फरपुर।
बिहार से। तो ये लगातार जो भीड़ है, और कैसा लगा यहाँ का अनुभव? और अभी भीड़ कम होगी क्या लगता है कि श्रद्धालु अभी रुक जाएंगे आज के समापन के बाद?
नहीं, अभी और भीड़ होगी और बढ़ेगी। भीड़ बढ़ेगी सर, भीड़ जरूर बढ़ेगी। भीड़ बढ़ने की भीड़ बढ़ने की जरूर वजह यह है कि ये महाकुंभ
सर, महाकुंभ हर 5 साल 6 साल में होना चाहिए, ऐसा ही।
Okay. All right. Thank you, Santosh, for joining us. I'm going to come right back to you. You know, the fact is, viewers, one must look at it. There have been many controversies, and there have been many deaths as well. But when you look at it on a larger scale, the culmination of the Mahakumbh is the coming together. It has to be the biggest leveler. Caste, class, identity, all merge into one when it comes down to that riverbed there. I want to cut across to Piyush. Piyush, a lot of the crowd surge from Prayagraj goes onwards to Banaras at the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and today I'm sure it's ringing with the chants of Har Har Mahadev.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. It's not only the culmination of Mahakumbh, but also the celebrations of Mahashivratri. Those are taking place across the country. In fact, people after taking holy dip in Prayagraj have come to Varanasi to seek the blessings of Lord Mahashiv. Right behind me, you can also see the preparations. Those have been done here by the administration. That is the main entry gate, gate number 4 of Shri Kashi Vishwanath Dham, and you can see how it has been decorated using different kinds of lights by the administration. People have come here from different parts of the country. Let me try to get a word from them and understand the sentiments that those are now going here. You can see how there is a sea of people which is right in front of gate number 4, and they want to seek one darshan of Lord Mahashiv. आप कहाँ से आए हैं और क्या आपने दर्शन कर लिए?
मैं गोरखपुर से आया हूँ।
गोरखपुर से आए।
हमें यहाँ पे आके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। मैं प्रयागराज संगम में भी गया था, दर्शन किया, वहाँ भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे यशस्वी योगी जी मुख्यमंत्री और माननीय मोदी जी ने पूरे देश, पूरे विश्व को संदेश दे दिया कि सनातन धर्म इस तरीके से। मैं
कितनी देर में आपको दर्शन मिले?
यहाँ पे मुझको दर्शन समझिए 6 घंटे में मिले।
6 घंटे। आपने दर्शन कर लिए?
हाँ, दर्शन नहीं हुआ।
दर्शन नहीं हुआ? कब से आए हुए हैं?
मैं आज सुबह से।
आज सुबह से आए हैं, दर्शन नहीं हुआ अभी तक। आप दर्शन कब करेंगे?
करवाला का कृपा कब देते हैं उन्हें परमिशन, जब जाना।
आपने किए दर्शन? कैसी व्यवस्था लगी?
बहुत ही व्यवस्था है।
अच्छा, अच्छी व्यवस्था है।
हम दोनों एक ही साथ हैं।
Okay.
कहाँ से आए आप?
हैदराबाद के हम।
हैदराबाद से।
हाँ।
मतलब सुबह से लाइन में लगे हैं। So you can see how excited people are, and they are standing in queues since morning, Preeti, but they have not got the opportunity to seek the blessings. And
Okay.